Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect backpack? I want to show you this one from Ytonet. So this is a laptop backpack. It can hold up to a 15.6-inch laptop in its padded sleeve, which makes it really convenient if you carry around a laptop for work, or it's also great for carrying a tablet or something else like that. This is a great travel bag because not only does it look cute and it's very stylish, I love that it has this very big open compartment design. So instead of like a lot of backpacks where you have to open up and unzip these multiple pockets, it has this big zipper pocket inside which opens up really wide from the top so you can easily grab things in there. So it kind of acts like a tote bag, and it has these metal inserts around the top so it helps to keep it open so you're able to easily grab what you need and it can stand up on its own. I love all the pockets that it has, and a major bonus is that it has a built-in external charging port, so you can use your own power bank with it and connect it to this little port, and then you're able to really easily charge your phone, which is awesome if you're somebody who is in classes or you're traveling in the airport. So it does help you keep organized with all of the different pockets. There's even an RFID blocking spot in this front pocket, so if you want to put your passport or your license or something in there. And there are multiple water bottle pockets, which is awesome. The straps are comfortable and padded, and the fabric is made out of a water-resistant polyester. So definitely a great bag, and I really like it, and I think it's going to serve me really well for many different trips and different occasions, and that's my point of view.